Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to get free traffic to your Shopify store. Here I'm going to cover 5 different free traffic. So let's get started. First of all, paid ads. We are going to talk about paid ads, which are search ads and social media ads. These are one of the quickest ways to target your ideal audience and drive traffic to your online store. They put your brand directly in front of people who are most likely to buy your products. Now, Google ads are part of paid ads. Use all the types of Google ads at your disposal. You can use search ads, display ads, Google Shopping, and YouTube ads to showcase your products to online audiences. Google allows you to bid on relevant keywords. And after that, Facebook ads. No matter how niche your business might be, what niche your business might be, you're sure to find potential shoppers among Facebook's 2.85 billion users. The platform allows you to target potential customers based on interests, location, and behaviors, etc. Now, another step is that you can quickly generate hordes of inbound traffic to your e commerce shop using contests and giveaways. So you just have to offer free goodies and discounts and team up with other brands or definitely some influencers to get even more exposure. Now, another step is to create a YouTube channel and start posting engaging video content to drive more traffic to your Shopify store. Now, here are a few video ideas to consider. Show your users how to use your products. Tell a fascinating story about how your products are made. Showcase testimonials from happy customers. And the last one is to create entertaining videos that make your audience smile. The last one is going to be the best. So, first, create a solid content marketing strategy and solidify your video ideas. Then, start creating any videos that may please you. So, next step is that most visitors press the back button on a website where when they can't find what they are looking for, and once they are gone, they won't come back. So, if you want to repeat visitors to your website, engaging them with a chatbot is a good idea. Chatbots are programs designed to answer your visitor questions. If a user wants some product information, link, or support, a chatbot can assist them 24/7. This helps you create a consistently positive user experience even while you sleep. So that's how you can get free traffic to your Shopify store. Now that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.